gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go right now. If we don't make it, then the sun will never come around. And I don't know if I can sing so very loud, but the chords will help me share this with the crowd. I had diamonds in my hand, but I lost some in the sand. Spent some time looking for them, rolled the rest, smoked them like sand. Roll the rest, smoke 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 them like sand. Take me to a time when I thought that my life would be simple. Take me to a time when I thought that my life would be rolling stones. Would be rolling stones. I'm breaking out, I'm breaking out, I'm breaking out alive. If you don't make it, I will see you on the other side. And I don't know if I can scream so very loud, but this course will help me share this.
Oh, that's nice to see that a little bit. He said the beach is beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful, isn't it?
Ethan?
Ethan, right.
Oh, you like
Spider-Man can't go to the beach without his flip-flops. Here we go, see fireworks.
I would love that, yeah.
Everybody wears their 4th of July stuff. Everybody buys all this 4th of July stuff that they only wear like one day.
I know.
That's true.
Yeah, we should play
Memorial Day 2018.
We should plan a vacation so we don't waste these clothes.
Yeah. You guys ready to see some fireworks?
Woo! We're so ready.
So ready. Are you guys gonna be scared of the big loud sounds?
No. I am though.
Oh man.
I'm
Oh.
not scared.
Shuffleboard.
And somebody on their website said that they just redid these, so they're actually quite nice.
Yeah, they look new.
Yeah.
This is El Presidente. They have like a ton of rooms.
So yeah, his biggest beef with Suncoast is there's no playground, Mommy. I don't want to go. And I'm like, you know what? You'll be fine. You won't fall through. You won't fall through.
I thought y'all had the key. Oh wait, there it is.
Yeah, you're the key.
Yeah, we're gonna put everybody.
The key to our happiness.
I love it.
Right.
I
That's
love
right.
Yeah, so thank you, sir. Yeah, we just stand away. They won. So we won. Right? We won.
She washed her feet off.
Yeah, we did.
Good job, Cora.
Give me your sandals. Good job. Ethan, Isaac, Ethan, come on, give me your sandals. Yeah. There we go.
Come on.
Ethan.
So we got the sand toys and the wagon still down here.
Oh, fun.
Okay. I don't make them. Step up. There we go.
Ow, that
This
was
one?
my finger.
Brian, we're gonna have to hit the after 4th of July patriotic wear sales. Maybe get
50% off.
Ethan, go around.
He's taking a picture. Don't run through the picture.
Wait. Yeah.
He just believes in his heart that everybody wants him to go
Come
to
on,
bomb.
guys, come on.
He's done until our
Come on, Big Isle. You can't be in the picture. Come on.
Isaac, come on. Isaac, come on.
Our next one is for 4th of July.
Oh, it's getting really
They're doing like their whole year Christmas cards and stuff right now. That is smart.
But I'm his parent.
But your parents are going this way, so you might want to come this way too.
Yeah, and you should listen to your parents, right, Isla?
It's like, wait a minute, you don't even do that.
She was this close to, don't you tell me what to do. You're not my mommy.
Hey, I see this knot.
Got your chair. Where's our chair, Daddy?
Yeah.
We had more than we needed.
So this is all ours here. This whole area.
Did you bring my Mommy, did
You don't need my fold-up picnic blanket, do you?
Anywhere you want to sit. We got a beanbag chair. And...
Were there more people in your party at one point?
No.
You just...
You want to put these on the
That's just the neighbors. I'm getting some good heat lightning video of this.
That's pretty cool. Where's the island? No, I'm not going to go unless everybody's going. By the time we make it over there, I don't want to see him, it's scary. Really? Okay.
You want to go back inside? Okay, so you can go back inside.
Look at that. That is so cool with the lighting. That is so kick butt. That is kick butt video.
That was great. That was the big finale. Okay. That's when. Oh my god. Yeah, we probably don't want to be. Oh, we will go there and we'll stay for the fireworks.
It's kind of cool that it's like doing this. What?
I gotta be honest with you, most of the people who thought they were gonna see the fireworks show tonight didn't get to see them either. Okay? We still have sparklers. It's still pretty bad. The beach is not safe.
It's pretty rough.
I see it. It's cool.
It is cool. It is cool. Wow.
My battery's toast on the nice camera, or else I've been taking pictures.
Yeah. What?
Oh, naked.
You want what? Napkins?
No, naked.
What's that?
No, kids.
You want a kiss?
Got this 5-year-old.
No.